everybody, today's top tip video is going to be how you can clean light trainers quick and easy. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so, thank you so much, and let's get cracking. First tip, always take out the laces so you can get to clean into this part of the trainers easily. Okay, and then submerge your laces into a tub of soapy water. I just use washing up liquid. Okie dokie. Dampen an old scrubbing brush and use some washing up liquid to give your trainers a thorough scrub. Okay. Need a bit of elbow grease, but it really does the job. Now you can do the same on the material, but don't go quite as hard. Then apply little bits to the material and gently rub over where the most of the marks are. Okay, you can also sprinkle on some bicarbonate of soda because this will help clean and give a bit more friction to get those marks out. Okay, and then just keep going until they look pretty clean. Then rinse your trainer. Keep applying more baking powder or washing up liquid as needed, and then give your final rinse. So once you've cleaned your trainers, give your laces a good wash, rinse, and then put them out to dry. If you can't dry them outside, leave them inside to dry. Make sure they're thoroughly dry before you start wearing them. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.